Hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Shrutika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of Matoshree Shubh Ellera Charhodi, which is located near Azad Nagar Charhodi, Pune and developed by Matoshree Groups. But in this video we'll be discussing about Willow Points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. मातोश्री शुभ एलेरा चरहोडी will be constructed on 0.94 acres of land parcel consisting of 7 towers. Each tower will be having basement plus ground plus 7 floors having 2 BHK premium residences. And now let's check out the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am here at the actual location of the project. मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के बैक साइड में मिल जाएगा इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर गणेश टेम्पल चरहोडी पुणे और ये जो रोड जाते हुए आप देख रहे हैं डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करता है वडमुखवाड़ी रोड से. कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है रिलायंस स्मार्ट विद इन 1.6 किलोमीटर, चरहोडी बस स्टॉप विद इन 1.3 किलोमीटर and also MIT Alandi campus within 3.2 km. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 20 plus luxurious amenities like mini amphitheater, yoga zone, meditation zone, open gym, kids play area, senior sit out area and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Matoshree Shubh Ellera Charhodi has 2 BHK premium residences in which 2 BHK is for 658 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with a 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the teaser of Matoshree Shubh Ellera Charhodi, which is located near Azad Nagar Charhodi, Pune and developed by Matoshree Groups. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.